Hello everybody. Today our lesson is about eukaryotic. Let's make simple comparison between eukaryotic and prokaryotic. What is the difference between both? Let's see in this. Let's magnify. We found here what? We found here nucleus, membrane, and the nucleus, membrane, and nucleus. And here in the prokaryote, let's see it. We found here DNA floating in the cytoplasm. We found circDNA floating in the cytoplasm. There is no nucleus. So prokaryote, there is no nucleus in the prokaryote. Domain eukarya. All organisms whose cells have a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles are called eukaryotes. Eukaryotes belong to the domain eukarya. 4 kingdoms currently make up the domain eukarya, like Protista, fungi, Plantia, Animalia. The first group, fungi. Fungi is a kingdom made up of non-green eukaryotic organisms that have no means of movement, reproduce by using spores, and get food by breaking down substances in their surrounding and absorbing the nutrients. Protista, a kingdom of mostly one called eukaryotic organisms that are different from plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi. Plantia, a kingdom made up of complex multicellular organisms that are usually green, have cell wall made of cellulose, cannot move around, and use the sun's energy to make sugar by photosynthesis. Animalia is a kingdom made up of complex multicellular organisms that lack cell wall, can usually move around and quickly respond to their environments. All these 4 groups are under eukarya. Eukarya is a modern taxonomic system, a domain made up of all eukaryotes. These domains align with the traditional kingdom Protista, fungi, Plantia, and Animalia. Kingdom Protista. Today, members of the kingdom Protista, commonly called protists, are single-celled or simple multicellular organisms. Scientists think that the first protists evolved from ancient bacteria about 2 billion years ago. Eventually, ancient protists gave rise to fungi, plants, and animals. The kingdom Protista contains many kinds of organisms. Some animals like protists are called protozoa. Some plants like protists are called algae. Protists also include slime molds such as the one shown in this figure below, figure 4, and euglenoids. I want you here create a question of this paragraph and leave the answer below and I will comment it. Kingdom fungi. Molds and mushrooms are examples of a complex multicellular members, the kingdom fungi. These fungi are unlike plants. Fungi do not perform photosynthesis. Unlike animals, fungi do not eat food. Instead, fungi absorb nutrients from substance in their surrounding. They use digestive juices to break down the substances. This picture shows very poisonous fungus. Never eat wild fungi. This beautiful fungi of genus Amantia is poisonous. This is a question. You can pause the video and answer this question and leave your answer below in the comment below.